This particular stitch is called the griddle stitch. Very easy stitch to do. Don't worry, we're going to go through it step by step, and I will see you in a minute. Okay, so this is called the griddle stitch. I love it. It's textured. It's the same. It's the same on both sides. Yeah, and all you need to learn how to do is the single crochet and the double crochet. So if you know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet, you got this, because the first row is always different, and then after that it's not so complicated. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and make a short one just so that I can show you the beginning, and then I'll complete it on this orange one. Okay, so it said multiples of 2. You have to do multiples of 2 in order to get this to work. Okay, plus an additional 2. So let's go ahead and do multiples of 2. Let's do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here's 6 plus an extra 2. Yeah, okay, plus an extra 2. 1, 2. So I have 8. I have 8 chains right there. So this is what they want you to do. We're going to skip the first 3. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to do our stitch right in here into the 4th chain from the hook. We are going to do a single crochet. Push it in, insert, yarn over, pull through. We have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. The next one's going to be a double. Yarn over, insert it, pull it through. We have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That was a double. And the next one is going to be a single. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert. This is a double. Okay, all the way down, and the last stitch of the row should always have a single. Okay, now I'm going to show you something. I know I made this short. I'm going to show you more on here. Remember when we skipped the first 3 chains here at the beginning? That counted as the first double crochet. Okay, so we have a double, a single, a double, a single, a double, and you're always going to end with a single. On every row, you're always going to end with the single. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that on the first row. So let's go ahead and try that again. All right, so on every row after that first foundation row, after the starting row that you did here, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you are going to, this counts as the first double crochet. Okay, and you are going to do a single in here. And then you're going to do a double in the next stitch. And then you're going to do a single. And you're going to do a double. I'm going to do a few more. We're going to do a single. And you're going to do a double. And that's what you're going to do all the way down the row. Okay, what did I do there? I did a double. How can I tell? Because it's taller. And then we're going to do a single and a double. I'm going to keep on going to the end of the row. So let's see. We have a double right here. You see, it's a tall stitch. We're going to do a single, then a double, and then look for that last stitch. Remember, it can be very tricky. It's in there. And then we're going to do a single. Every stitch ends with a single. And there you have it. This is the griddle stitch. Okay, so on the beginning of every row, you're going to chain 3. And then you're going to do a single, a double, a single, a double, all the way down. And you're going to end with a single. And that's it. And once you have completed your washcloth or your scarf, whatever it is that you're making, or blanket. Hey, who's to say that this won't make a lovely baby blanket? You just have to make it longer. Remember, multiples of 2. And whenever it gets to the length that you want, you just can go ahead and snip it, and there you go, you are done. Okay, so how was it? I bet it wasn't as hard as you thought it was, right? And it works out pretty quickly. And what a great way to practice that single and double crochet stitch, right? And have something lovely. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one for myself because it's my favorite color and I rather like the texture of it, right? You can make it bigger. All you have to do is extend the chains. Don't forget to extend it in multiples of 2 plus an additional 2. That will make it wider, or you can just keep going and make it as long as you like. This makes a great baby blanket, by the way. Just use a softer yarn. As usual, that was a lot of fun. I really like making these washcloths. I get to practice new stitches or practice some old ones that I haven't used in quite a while. And then when I'm done, I have these really great washcloths that I can use or give away. Okay, well, thanks for hanging out with me and learning that griddle stitch, right? And I hope I'll see you again. Listen, if you like that griddle stitch, I have lots more stitches that I can show you. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe. All right, well, then I will see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.